This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a pantry-raided lockdown recipe, tomato sardines on toast.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Since we're still in a lockdown, here's another pantry-raided lockdown recipe. This time, I found a can of sardines in tomato sauce and some multigrain bread. So let's make sardines on toast. Empty the can of sardines in a bowl. Add half a diced medium onion. Don't dice it too finely as you want a bit of crunch. Chop up 1 chilli. Squeeze in 2 calamansis. You can also use 2 teaspoons of lime or lemon juice instead. Roughly mash up the sardines. I have here a slice of multigrain bread, but you can use whatever you have on hand. A pantry-raided lockdown recipe, tomato sardines on toast.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.